Good morning, everyone. Vacation 2020 is finally here. Nikki just opened the door. She don't like the video, but we're so ready to go. Kids are still asleep, but Nikki and I are gonna get on the road, get some coffee, fill up with some gas, start heading to Ocean Lakes Family Campground. We can't wait to get there. We'll see you soon. All right, after a quick stop at the gas station, we're getting back in the car and continuing the trip to Ocean Lakes Family Campground. Had to grab a drink, needed some more caffeine.
License? I mean, I'm 50.
Nope. All right. We made it. Oh yeah, it won't hit your toes. So we are going to go and get a golf cart.
Yep.
Because that's how you roll at Ocean Lakes. No. So as you can see, everybody's got golf carts here. And this is where we're at. Golf cart. Well, Operation Get a Golf Cart was a failure.
Yeah.
They are literally on a wait list for golf cart rentals. They have a lot that are there in line, but I guess there must be a lot of people ahead of us. It looked like we were maybe 20 down on the list, maybe. And I don't know how many pages there were before it got to ours, but hey, we shall see. We'll go see if our camper's here now. Check-in's not until 3, but hopefully we'll get lucky and our camper will be on our site and we can start getting that set up, and then maybe the golf cart will be ready by the time that's done. It says bingo. Don't know if they can do it with all the COVID stuff. How do you sanitize the bingo cards? But we shall see. Had to move their gate so they could turn into their campsite. Here's the Sandy Mart, the meat, soapy suds. Park over here to the right.
That's exciting. Yep, and the racer's open. It's crowded. I forgot how crowded it is.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Crazy. That is for sure. Lots of 5019. Here's a bathhouse.
Children.
I got little kids failing to stop to make sure that everything is okay.
Children.
I'm glad my children are not that little anymore. I'm sure they did the same thing when they were that size. Now they just ride golf carts and pull out in front of people. And here's another bathhouse, which is going to be a lot closer to ours, which is great. So you don't have as far of a walk. And let's see.
Sydney's starving, she said.
And our camper is on site.
Yay, I see it.
Thank goodness. We'll give a tour of the camper later on. Right now, we just got to get everything set up. A lot of sand. Welcome to the beach. It's facing you now.
Oh, it's facing me.
Yep. Heading to the beach. So great first day. Got to spend some time at the beach, got the camper set up. Gonna head over to the meat and eat and grab some dinner. Picked up our dinner. We're going to head back over to the camper, sit over there outside, have some dinner, watch a little TV, and enjoy the rest of the evening.